If you saw the service video to this a bit back, we've got a Maxcom 70 emergency set, and well, it's not very visual, is it? Because it doesn't have a meter. It does have a TX light. It's currently on 19. It's not currently on anything. Okay, so of course it's difficult to work out what channel you're on this because the knobs never line up. So let's go up to where we think is 31. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that. Yes, this radio doesn't have a channel display, so I thought I'd got it right.
Alright, what could that be, indeed?
Right, I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger. So on this radio, of course, we can't plug an extension speaker, and we're plugged in the external aerial through our RCA, through the RCA socket with our Motorola adapter. We're powering it at 13.2 volts, which is its maximum.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. On this radio, there's no tone control.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger, looks like the cable engineers are back.
Oh, we're bearing our broadband cut off again.
Roger.
Roger, looks like the cable engineers are back.
Oh, we're bearing our broadband cut off again.
Roger. Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger Dodger. No change there then.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that, no square wheels today.
Negative. Top of the hill, let's go down towards Wilsford.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Maxcom 70 emergency and portable from 1982. It's doing a full 4-watt output. Over.
Yeah, roger that. I thought it might be an emergency set, but without no display.
Yeah, some do, some don't, and this is a don't.
Roger. You don't see mobiles without display, so it really had to be that or handheld.
Absolutely right, yeah.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you loud and clear at the 5 mile point. I'm on the Maxcom 7E from 1982. He's doing full 4 watt output and is drawing just 836 milliamps. We'll pop it onto low power, and I've forgotten what this is. I'll tell you later on in the test. Here we go, 54321. Now we're on low power, drawing 215 milliamps. Now we'll go back to full power. There we are, back on full power. Over.
Yep, Roger. No problem on full power. A little bit noisy on low power. But there you go.
Great, okay, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Yep, Roger on that. So I'm just looking at the low power. It's just 120 milliwatts. 120 milliwatts. Over.
My God, it did exceptionally well then.
There you go, incredible. Somebody else come on this channel, Mr. Chippie. Can you knock it at one, please?
Roger, gone to 32.
It's 132.
Yep, Roger, on 32.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Over.
Today over.
Yep, 136.9, 139.7.
Excellent, that worked really well like they usually do. There we go, 10-10, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. So is that petrol station open still today over?
Yep, 136.9, 139.7.
Excellent, that worked really well like they usually do. So there we go, 10-10, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Okay, so brilliant. 120 milliwatts. I'll be interested when I edit that video to see what that sounded like. Right, we'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like on the electric condenser mic. Into our base station. Tango 21 testing the Maxcom 7E at 4 watts into our Midland 76900 base station, and of course using the built-in electret mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just pop it on low power. There we are on low power. Did I say it was 150 milliwatts or something like that? So go back to full power, and there we are back on full power. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.